Hey you guys, it's Leslie. I know I have not been on here for a while, but I wanted to come back with a favorites video, as you can tell from the title below. I am obsessed with favorites videos just because I love to watch them and I love to make them, just because I love to see new makeup and it gives me a reason to purchase new makeup and try it, and I can be like, I can always justify it and be like, yeah, I'm doing this because, I'm purchasing this because I want to see if it's good so that I can do a favorites video for it. Anyway. Let's start. Alright, the first thing I want to talk to you guys about here is this is the continuous setting mist. First of all, I love the mist. Like, I love the fact that it's like a mist on the face. It's like those old Avon spray that you used to get, like that came in like purple and like yellow and a bunch of different colors that I used to spray on my body that only lasts for like about 10 minutes and then afterwards it fades away. I don't know, but it was like really strong scent. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it reminds me of that. I used to love those little sprays. But this one, it sprays on light. It sprays on as if there's nothing on the face. But I really feel like using this combination with this at the end helps the makeup to last longer. My nose isn't as oily as it used to be. Like, it would be the first thing that gets oily, like just and break up in certain areas. But with this, it does not do that. Moving on, I want to talk to you guys about this here. This is the Prep and Prime. This is highlighter. It's a highlighter pen and it comes in peach. This is the color that it comes in here. And I use this because I have deep set eyes. I can't help it. That's how I was born. I was born with deep set eyes. Like when I look down, like if you look down, you could see the deep set eyes. And as I get older, they're becoming more deep. And it's not because, I don't think it's because of age. I think it's because I have allergy eyes and I rub my eyes a lot. Like, and it's getting like, because underneath my eyes are getting darker, it's becoming more obvious, which I'm trying to stop rubbing, but the itch is so sweet to the point where it's like, oh my god, I just have to rub my eyes. If I don't have my eye drops in time, I do kind of just rub my eyes repeatedly. So that's what's happening in my life. So in the meantime, what I do is I just take a little bit of this, and it's in a peach tint. Some you can use, like some people use like orange, or some people use green to cancel out the dark circles and kind of help it fill in a little bit. Me, I just use this one here. And I just kind of fill in my eyes underneath, and it helps with the dark circles, and then I put my concealer on top. So this is a really good combination. This is a really good product for that. All right, so because I got burnt on my forehead, like I have selective burn. I don't know how that happened. My body decided that it wanted to be burnt in certain areas, so only my forehead got burnt really bad. In the meantime, I've been using this Tarte Forest of the Sea drink of H2O, and the only reason why I decided to use it because I was like, okay, drink of H2O, water, of course. I was like, my skin needs that right now. It's dry, it's dehydrated. I got this little sample size here from Sephora. I think it was like one of my perks. And I saw this and I was like, okay, I need a really good moisturizer, so I have to use something. You guys, this is amazing. It, like, if you have dry skin, and it's like the drink of water to the skin. So if you have, it doesn't matter what type of skin you have, I think this will definitely work for you. All right, so for a while now, I have been using a lot of eyeshadows. I've been to a point where I didn't used to wear like eyeshadows for every day just because I have really oily lids. Like, my face is dry, but my lids are always really oily. But I've been using my Laying Low Paint Pot. This one here is in my shade. I know it comes in like Painterly in a bunch of different colors. So you want to get one that's going to be like more your skin tone, but a little bit lighter, if that makes sense. You don't want something that's straight up on your skin, just a little bit lighter, so that the eyeshadows can pop, and then you can still have like that flawless eyeshadow. So it's more like, it helps the eyeshadow to blend evenly, it helps the eyeshadow to last longer, and it helps it to be more pigment. So if that makes sense. I want to talk about the lashes that I have on right now. These, and I hate the fact that I have to talk about these lashes just because A, they are really expensive, and B, I didn't want to fall in love with them. But anyway, these are the lashes, the Lily lashes in Miami. And these are the Sephora Collection ones. I purchased these at Sephora. You can purchase these on the Lily Lashes. I know that sometimes she has like really nice discounts if you're interested in something like that, to get like dollars off. That makes sense. I didn't know why I didn't do that, but it makes sense, right? But they are amazing for every day and for a night out. I've never had a lash that did that, like was good for when I'm going to a meeting, or when I am going to the shop, or when I am just in the club. It does not matter. These lashes look amazing on my eyes, and they suit like every person eye that wears them, like that I know so far. They have suit their eyes, and it has a different effect on every person's eye. So if you have like different shape eyes, it still looks amazing on your eye no matter what. Another pair of lashes that I want to talk about, these ones here are the Intoxicating. Now I only wear these, this is the Intoxicating Lashes from Flutter. I only wear these when I'm going out with you guys. I don't wear these for every day because honestly, have you seen the, if you've ever seen these before, you know that these lashes are no joke. If you've tried them on before, I know some girls who wear them for every day, like would straight up wear them. Like I have a cousin, she would definitely wear these for every day. But for me, no, it's a little bit too much, first of all, and they are like, they're not heavy, they're just a lot going on. It just feels like a lot going on in your eyes when you put these on, and I like wearing these when I'm going out at nighttime. I don't wear a lot of makeup when I wear these, and when I mean a lot of makeup, I don't put on a lot of eyeshadow. Like I can do very minimal eyeshadow, just to like something in the crease, just to give me some dimension, and I just throw these on and just throw on the rest of my face, and that's it. Like red lips, come on, red lips and these lashes, yes God. Thank you. All right, the last product I want to mention to you guys, this here is Cork Dose by Dose of Colors. This is a liquid lipstick. I don't wear as much I don't wear as many liquid lipsticks anymore as I used to. I'm trying to, because I have so many lipsticks, you guys, I've been trying to like wear as many of them as possible, and then I find myself purchasing more lipsticks just to add to my collection, but not wearing them. But in the meantime, if I'm looking for a color that's gonna work for me every single time, that's gonna be like my lips but better, this is the one that I go for. It's what I have on my lips right now. I would swatch it on my skin, but that defeats the purpose. You guys have been looking at it the whole entire time. This is how it looks on my skin. It's really pretty. It dries to a matte finish. You guys know that a Dose of Color liquid lipsticks, if you've never tried them before, the formula is amazing. They last a really long time. They don't feel like chalk on the lips. Like some liquid lipsticks can make you feel like, oh my God. And I feel like they're comparable to like the Kylie Jenners or the Jeffree Stars. Like those formula, like these three, I would say Dose of Colors, Kylie Jenner, and Jeffree Star are the liquid lipsticks to beat, because the finishes on them is amazing. This color would look like this all day on my skin. So the last thing I want to talk to you guys about, I thought my liquid lipstick was the last thing I want to talk about, but this here is a palette that I've created a while back, and it just has like a bunch of different colors in it, like blushes and bronzers and just highlight. Is there a highlight in here? No, that's not highlight. Look, it's a highlighting powder. So yeah, you guys can see like my lighting setup there. There you go. Let me see if I do it like this. Will it show? I don't want to blind you guys, but yeah, this is how they look. They have like 6 different colors, and I've been using this one here a lot to bronze my skin. It's just like a natural bronzing color, because right now my skin is a little bit darker, which I appreciate, which I love. I love the way my skin looks right now. I wish it could stay like this, but this here works perfectly on that. On a normal day, it would be too dark to use this one here, but now that my skin is a lot bronzer and it's a lot nicer, I can pull that off. So I did pull out this bad boy for like, you know, just for a while. And then I have these blushes here. I use these a lot as well for every day, just because they give me like a nice little pink tint. It's not too overpowering as well. Like if I mix them, if I wear them alone, like if I wear this pink one alone, it's kind of like a little ashy, but if I balance them out with a little bit of shimmer in the regular pink, it's like really pretty. So I'm really excited because this was my birthday month. I did get a few gifts, and I want to do what I got for my birthday video. So I'm going to do that for you guys. I did get a few items, and I would love to share them with you guys. I just don't want to be like braggy, or you know, just being like, you know, this is what I got, because I know that those videos can come off a little different. But I'm going to do that in a few days for you guys. When I post this video, I'm going to do that video for you guys, but I do have a bunch of videos coming soon. I do hope that you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Just gonna let you guys know when I post my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye my precious loves, have a great day.